This is a short video explaining how to use the stat mode with a frequency table to calculate the mean using the Aurora AX595 calculator. So with the calculator on, first of all you need to set up to show the frequency. So at the top left, press the shift key and click the mode setup button and down arrow, and then we're looking for number 3 stat and then number 1 on for frequency on. So when you now go to the stat mode by pressing mode and number 2, it should then, when you press number 1 SD, it should show you a frequency as well. So we're going to input the data in question 2 here to check whether the manual calculation is correct. So we're doing the number of bedrooms first, so we've got 1 equals 2 equals 3 equals 4 equals and 5 equals. If I now go to the top of the list, so I did a right arrow there, I've taken it up to the top here, I can now type in my frequency, which is defaulted to 1, so 6 equals 10 equals 22 equals 9 equals and 3 and then equals. So let's just double check those are right. So 5 and 3, 4 and 9, going back up, 3 and 22, 2 and 10, 1 and 6. If you need to change any of these, you can just type them in again. Again, counterintuitively, CA to clear the screen, and then we can do shift and number 1, which will bring up the stat mode. We'll first of all check that the total frequency is correct. So if I now choose number 4 for the sum option and number 2 for sigma x, the sum of the values, and press equals, it says that's 143, so that's in agreement. If I do shift and stat again, and we're now going to do number 5, and we'll do n for the number of values, which is number 1, and then equals on there, so it's 50 values, which agrees with the 50 in the question, and shift and stat number 5 again, and the mean is x bar number 2 and equals, and that says 2.86, which also agrees as per the question. So I can now be quite sure that I've done that question correctly and will hopefully get the full 3 marks that are available. Hopefully that was useful.